Subscribe now.
In the small, isolated town of Ashenwood, there loomed a forsaken mansion known by the locals as the Whispering House. It stood at the edge of the town, its decrepit facade a stark contrast against the backdrop of the looming forest. The air around the mansion felt heavy with an oppressive sense of foreboding, and the very whisper of the wind seemed to carry the anguished cries of the tormented souls trapped within. One fateful night, a bold and curious photographer named Mia ventured into Ashenwood in search of the next subject for her eerie photography collection. Drawn to the chilling legends that surrounded the Whispering House, she resolved to capture its haunting presence through her lens, dismissing the warnings of the town's inhabitants. As Mia crossed the threshold of the mansion, a suffocating atmosphere of dread enveloped her like a shroud. The interior exuded an unsettling coldness that penetrated to her very bones, and she could swear she felt the weight of unseen eyes fixated upon her. That night, when she drifted into a fitful slumber, Mia's dreams were consumed by a chorus of whispers that slithered through the recesses of her mind, weaving a sinister tapestry of sorrow and despair. Determined to uncover the secrets of the Whispering House, Mia delved into the town's archives, where she uncovered a macabre tale hidden within the annals of Ashenwood's history. The mansion had once been home to the enigmatic Blackwood family, known for their occult practices and sinister rituals that defied the natural order. As Mia delved deeper into the tense history of the house, the whispers in the dark grew more insistent, tugging at the fringes of her sanity. She became plagued by eerie visions and spectral encounters that left her trembling in terror. It was as though the very walls of the mansion had come alive, seething with the agony of the spirits trapped within. In a harrowing climax, Mia stumbled upon a hidden chamber deep within the house, where she uncovered a malevolent altar adorned with esoteric symbols and encircled by flickering candles. In that unholy sanctuary, she discovered the restless souls of the Blackwood family, bound by a sinister curse that had festered for generations. As Mia attempted to escape the suffocating grasp of the mansion, she found herself ensnared in a nightmarish confrontation with the vengeful spirits that wished to claim her as their own. In a desperate struggle, she managed to break free from the oppressive clutches of the Whispering House, her heart still racing with the echoes of the haunting whispers that had pursued her relentlessly. As Mia fled from Ashenwood, she found herself haunted by the spectres of the Whispering House, their tormenting whispers following her wherever she went. The darkness of the mansion had seeped into her very soul, leaving her forever changed by the chilling horrors she had confronted. And as she embarked on her newest photographic project, she knew that the whispers in the dark would continue to echo in her nightmares, a chilling reminder of the cursed house that had forever marked her with its malevolent presence. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more thrilling stories and creative prompts. Your support means the world to us.